Now we're going to do page 6. We're actually going to do page 6 and 7 together because they're horizontal pockets and basically they just mirror each other. So my page map is here. So that's page 6 with a pocket, that's the base page, page 7, pocket, base page. And you can see I've written dots, fish, dots, fish, dots, fish. That's just for me to know when I'm doing my decorative paper. It's just so they contrast each other. Okay, so we'll start with page 6. This is page 6 here. And as usual, I've pre-cut all the papers and I've inked all the edges. So, my base page. This is going to be my dots I'm having at the top. So my dots will go there. That will be my next pocket. And I'll put my fish on there. You can say, oh no, my paper's too short, but it isn't, because then I'm going to have another pocket which will fit on here like that. And make sure that you've got your pattern the right way up, because at the moment my fish are upside down. So it's always worth double checking before you stick.
Oh, I like that paper on the back.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? This is a lovely collection actually. This is the Ocean Blue from Graphic 45. So we're going to have dots at the top. We'll start with that one there. Don't worry about your glue, just wipe that off with your finger, and if it's shiny afterwards just take your glue rubber, but it should. That's it, that's one. So pocket next. A nice side again, the stripy side, but I'm using the fishes. Okay, so this is my middle pocket, and I'm just going to put the decorative paper just at the top. Okay, but I've still got my board around the edge. Okay, this is a really good way if you need to save your paper, you haven't got enough paper, you can always cover it with another bit of something else, and it's more economical. It means you can make one album just out of one 8x8 pad if you want to. Okay, so that will stick on there. So you can use double-sided tape for this, but our book binding glue is actually strong enough to do this. So again, just round 3 edges, 1, 2, 3. Just going to stick that one on there, like that. And sometimes what I do with quite a lot of my pockets is I actually just pop a little clip each side just to hold them firmly when I've finished. That's that one. And then we're going to do the bottom pocket. Oh, and I've got another invisible repair here. I obviously obviously wasn't paying attention, but that's what you can do. Don't worry about it. So you're learning all my secrets now. Except I can't get the end off now.
That was it.
That's it, done it. Okay, so we'll pop this one on. Put this one on there. Let's move that along. That's there, and this is also going to be a pocket, so that will stick on there. And so we'll tuck in under there, but I'm going to do it that way. So I've got a slightly wider bit of black showing. So that's page 6. And then what you can do is you can just pop a little clip here and here, sometimes just down near the base. That's it. Okay, so that's page 6. And now I'm going to repeat the same process for page 7, but the papers are going to be the different way round. So I'll do that now. Okay, so now here's page 6 and here's page 7, and this is a really simple, and actually it's a very quick layout, but you're using your contrasting patterns, and I've got all the fish the right way up, which makes a change. So that's page 6 and 7.